body. There's something that you need to see, a whole new way of living that comes by faith when you believe. So when you see it rolling into your neighborhood, come taste and see that the Lord is good. This is a food truck party. This is a food truck party.
Come join us June 12th through 16th as we experience a food truck party. Each night we're going to be talking about different stories of God providing for people in the Bible, and so we just hope that you can come and dive in with us. Each night we're going to have a food truck on property so you and your family can purchase dinner before dropping your kids off. This is going to be 6 o'clock to 8:30. You can find the link to register in the description box below, so I hope that you guys can come join us.
This is a food truck party. God is great.